So big thank you to all of you present here. Big thank you to AMA always, because I always say that Mr. Nair is always back of all this subject. Okay. So thank you to AMA team. And the topic is in search of mindfulness, right? So can we start now this journey? Ajay bhai, why it is not moving? Okay. So welcome aboard. This topic will need all of us to be here, because the topic itself is in search of mindfulness. So we have to be here. So question always, are we mindful right now or full of a lot of things, right? I think before we start the journey, make sure that you have your cell phone, keep it to the silent, because this topic, there will be a couple of exercises which will involve the peace of mind, to concentrate likewise. So confirm everybody, cell on silent. I want your commitment. You have to keep your mind here, right? So I will check it later, not now. Generally every evening talk I do this, and I ask a question, are you here with mind? But we'll do it later, because still people are coming. So keep mind open, because this topic is evolving, still not mature. I'll put it this way, this topic is still evolving, a lot of research is going behind this particular subject. So keep mind open. Why this picture, before the evening talk? Because I see a lot of faces not smiling. Why are you so serious? Why are the faces so serious? So keep smiling, because this evening talk we want to enlighten, right? So coverage of the evening talk will be, what is mindfulness? Who is using mindfulness? Science behind this mindfulness, and how can we practice and improve our mindfulness? It's a powerful topic. Now, before I just go into the detail, I would like to share, my personal experience. Sir, you can come here also. There is space here. Okay. See, I have been practicing this meditation for mindfulness about almost 10 years from now, and there is no exaggeration to say that it has helped, and it is helping. It has brought a drastic change in a profoundly positive way. I believe that it can do the same for you. That's a noble objective for this evening talk. With that in my mind, I have decided to have the evening talk today. And this program is not only for understanding, but for experiencing also. So we will have some experiencing exercises, so be ready for that. Now, the question to all of us, do we have any challenge to be mindful? Any situation you thought that you were not mindful and has not helped you or sometimes damaged you? This type of question. Or another positive way to ask this question, that when we are mindful, because mindful is basically a state, right? The state or a status. So two questions, when you do you think that we have a challenge to be mindful, and when do we think that we are mindful? So we'll not answer it right now. Let us continue the input journey first. Don't read this, but this is my handwriting. See, this is an example what I wanted to share with you in this question. Sometimes you are working, and you are searching something, and you don't get it, and all of a sudden your friend comes and asks, what are you searching? I am searching one of the pen drive. It is in front of you. So this type of episode sometimes happens, and they give a question that where was my mind? I was not mindful. I was taking a lot of time. So this type of events may be happening, not frequently, but would have happened. Now this is a example of my personal journey and correlation with this particular topic, you can come here. There are still the chairs here. I was in Bangalore and I had a lot of appointments and I was not able to cope up the agenda. So what I did is I called up my headquarters and I told my travel coordinator, I said, do one thing, I cannot travel back to Mumbai today, you cancel Bangalore to Mumbai ticket and book me tomorrow 5 o'clock ticket. Now tomorrow 5 o'clock ticket, my meaning was to evening 5 o'clock and he booked morning 5 o'clock. So there is some correlation. Mindfulness in communication also. You got my point. So lot of things happening with us. One more question, which I was asking again. When you think that we are mindful, couple of answers, or maybe reflect on that. Am I mindful when I am paying money? Answer is majoritarily yes. Right? We are very much mindful to even single rupee, right, or paisa. So then why we are mindful at that point of time and why we cannot be mindful all the time? That's another question. So when are we mindful, whether paying money or singing or driving or talking, walking, playing, and maybe fill in the blank. So this is a question to reflect on for all of us. We are not concluding anything, right? These are two important category of the people which I observe them very closely in the correlation of this topic. Number one is a tailor who stitch your clothes, right? And second is a carpenter. And I have learned one best thing from them, which is written. They measure twice and cut once, right? Tailor. They measure twice and cut once. I have not found my personal tailor made any mistakes stitching my clothes. So I give him a small award that this guy is mindful, at least doing my job, right? So just park this type of example right now. One more question on this topic. To be mindful, do we need to adjust our attitude? Try to influence us that there is a need to adjust your attitude. And he gave a couple of statements that we worry a lot about future and then we ponder a lot on the past, but why can't you live in a present, right? People like me in management or corporate, we always say that you must think long term, strategy and all these things is required, but with the balance, right? You are preparing for the future, but then you are not getting fully lost in the future, right? So he said that enjoy the present. So there is an influence or a commentary, that opportunity to adjust our attitude. So just park it right now here. Now let us understand what is this topic. What is mindfulness? There is a standard definition. It's basically mindfulness is nothing, it involves intentionally, every word is important, involves intentionally bringing one's attention to internal and external experiences occurring in the present moment. Just internalize this every word, which is important, because mindfulness is nothing, it's basically bringing your senses at present, meaning that intentionally you have to bring the attention to your internal and external experiences occurring in a present moment. So just understand this definition. Now, mindfulness, some more experience I want to add on this topic. When you are mindful, you observe your thoughts and feelings from a distance without judging them good or bad, meaning that you start living in a present moment and you get awakening experience. So we'll have exercise, don't worry, it's not exaggeration here. And by being fully present in this way, not forcing things or hiding from them, but actually being with them, we create a space to respond when you are mindful, and you get new ways to respond to the situations and make wiser choices. This is a benefit. We may not always have a full control over our lives, but mindfulness can bring the benefits. That is what is the objective of this evening talk. There is a research behind this topic. Evidence and research is there. Just look at this particular evidence. A research study published by University of Oxford in 2013 November, which provides evidence of the effectiveness Be the Mindful online course the student has done. The study examined the effect of the courses for this 273 people who completed it. And what is the outcome of the research? 58% reduction in anxiety level, 57% reduction in the depression, and 40% reduction in the stress. So there is a benefit if we progress in this direction. If you ask me to practice mindfulness, I think this concept is not new, right? We are famous for our yoga, right? So it's not new. I think this is from the Buddhist origin, old time we know, and this is older than thousands of years, right? So this practice we are aware, but we'll try to practice in a different way, that how can we use it in present context, and we enjoy a more wakeful, healthier and happier life. We can learn this mindfulness with a practice. It's simple and we can practice it anywhere. There are different ways to develop the understanding of and how to practice the mindfulness in daily life. It can be learned in a person, either through a group course or maybe one-to-one with a trained teachers. This is available today. And there are books and audios and videos, online courses too, which are available to practice mindfulness. Now, I want to prepare you for the exercise, because only theory will not help me here. I think all the people standing there, Ajay bhai, can we arrange some chairs, please? Idusha? Okay. So, you have to help me. Standing, you have to do the exercise. Is it okay with you? All the people standing there? Okay. Now, this exercise, before we start the exercise, first you prepare yourself, you loosen up, prepare yourself to get ready for the exercise. Now, what is the instruction for this exercise? First read it, understand it, and then there will be a light music. This exercise is just when I start the music, that time you will close your eyes, you will start making your body a little relaxed, okay? And here your exercise is, you will have to count 1 to 90. How to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, with yourself. You are not counting loudly, okay, with yourself. So you will have to count 1 to 90. Objective here while counting is to watch your thoughts. When you are counting 1, 2, oh, my scooter is outside, I have not parked well. You get a thought, right? So objective here is to observe your thoughts. It will take time, okay. But here the rule of the game is, when you are counting 1, 2, 3 and thought comes, I have to go tomorrow morning for so and so meeting, then you go back to 1. During counting, you get any thought in between at any stage, 2, 3, 5, even at 89, you go back to 1. You are okay with this instruction? Everybody understanding my instruction? Okay. So, but it will take time, don't worry, right? And we are not in competition. So here if somebody said that I have completed 90, I am the first, we are not in competition. We just want to experience it. See, I told you this program is for understanding but experiencing also. Even I am doing second PhD. The name of the second PhD overall title is metaphysics. The meaning of the metaphysics is the spiritual science. Now, to know spiritual science, when I went to my guide, he asked me a very nice question. उसने थोड़ा हिंदी में पूछा, जानना और मानना में दोनों में फर्क है, right? Believing and knowing, there is a difference, right? If somebody asks you that you believe in God, what will be your answer? Loud yes. I believe in God, right? So it will be loud yes. So, but somebody asks you, have you seen the God? तो फिर आप मानते क्यों हो, जानते तो नहीं हो, तो फिर मानते क्यों हो? This is the first question asked to the research candidate who is interested to do the spiritual PhD in spirituality. But have you experienced the God? Few people maybe say, I had awakening experience or some experience which I only understand that what I experience. But very difficult to experience other guy that I have experienced the God. You are getting my point? तो ये जो जर्नी है इन सर्च ऑफ माइंडफुलनेस, जानना और मानना, तो वी हैव टू टेक ए पैराडाइम शिफ्ट फ्रॉम बिलीविंग टू नोइंग. दैट इज वाई दिस एक्सरसाइज. ओके, एटलीस्ट यू स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि भाई कुछ है ऐसा, राइट? सो नाउ यू हैव टू गेट रेडी. इंस्ट्रक्शन अगेन आई विल रिपीट. देयर विल बी अ लाइट म्यूजिक. I will be starting a light music. Maybe 3 people can come here. There is 1 seat here and 2 seats here. Even 4th person can come and pick up the chair. I think I want to make sure that everybody sits and then experience. Sir, आप भी आ जाइए. You can pick up my chair, no problem. You are comfortable there? But you have to do the exercise. That commitment I want from each one of you. Clear? Now when I start the music, you will close your eyes, right? You will close your eyes and relax little bit of your body, and then you will start counting 1, 2, 3, right? And I will put timer also, don't worry. Okay. And whenever thought comes, you will go back to 1. Understood? Should I verify this understanding? Sir, आप समझ गए ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? हाँ? क्योंकि otherwise आपको experience मिलने वाला नहीं है. Can we start now? How was the experience? Successful? Yes, no, yes, no. Many thoughts coming? If you are honest to yourself, you get the right answer. Right? You are counting 1, 2, 3 and you get some thoughts. Successful, concentrated, maybe you can go up to 90 also, right? So let me ask you a small question. How many of you think, you were in control of your mind? What happened? We are in search of mindfulness. This is a evening talk, and that is why this question, that because a lot of thoughts come, right? And we feel that these thoughts divert you, right? Even counting 1 to 90, forget, even counting 1 to 30 was a challenge, right? Few people would have crossed 25 also, right? But then more you cross, you get some thoughts, right? And maybe some noise comes, your mind get diverted, right? But not diverted, but thought comes. That's a trigger, right? So it was a good experience, everybody? Okay. Let me ask you one more question. With this exercise, if we ask to ourselves, I am not asking you, but let us ask ourselves that are we controlling mind or mind is controlling us? With this exercise, counting 1 to 90, we came to know that we were not able to stop the thoughts, right? And that's why back to square 1. So question is very valid, that are we controlling the mind or mind is controlling us? And sometimes we listen our mother and father and friends and all the well. Are you not in control of your mind? The valid hypothesis, right? We sometimes in Gujarati we say taru magaj kai kabu ma nathi, control ma nathi. So everybody is in search of mindfulness, right? So okay, if you look at the number of thoughts, 60,000 thoughts in a day we get it here. 60,000, right? And it's good or not good, it only comes out through your feeling. Whether the thoughts are good or not good, it only comes out through the feeling. That if somebody asks you, how are you? And you maybe say, fine, all well, okay. But if somebody asks me, how are you? Top of the world. So there's a feeling coming out, right? So it has a relation with this thoughts also. So a lot of correlation with this. This topic is correlated to many dimensions of our human life and personality. There is a research slide I am sharing with you guys that 47% of our waking hours, the mind has wandered away from the task at hand. A lot of people working on the laptop, or you get the answer here, right? You're working on your laptop, but you don't know what are you doing, right? 47% of our waking hours, the mind has wandered away from the task at hand, what we are doing. I will show you one more video to support this. This video I have copied from WhatsApp. So if you have seen, don't worry, right? It's an old video, but it has a correlation here. Just to tell you something that what is happening with us. Ready to see the video? Have you seen this video earlier? I got it in the WhatsApp, and that supported my topic today. And this may be happening with a lot of people. It's a funny example, but many things happening with us that mind gets diverted and you acted wrongly. You act wrong, right? Which damage you or others. Either way, damage you or damage others. In this case, this boy got damaged, right? He got a damage somewhere, right? So this topic, what I want to say, that research is also telling that our mind is wandering. This exercise was one part of it, but research is also supporting that. And what research tells us, if this is happening with us, which is not good, meaning that a wandering mind is an unhappy mind, means you are not able to focus. You got my point. We'll play something later, but wandering mind, I think there is opportunity to set right. Just look at this picture. If you have a lot of unhappiness, which will definitely transfer to your work. If you have a lot of unhappiness, which will definitely transfer to your work, and you just get a challenge on the attention, meaning that attention lapses. Suppose you have a lot of anxiety, it will definitely reflect on your bad. That it will be very difficult to turn your mind off when you go to the bad. I don't know, but Gujarat is a great part of the state or India. But Mumbai, a lot of people drink why before go to the bad. They want to switch off this. You got my point. So mindfulness is very important area to work upon. I think which the point in my mind, and this is based on the study. Yeah? It's not the simple statement. Are you ready for another exercise? You will not sleep. Huh? This is a little longer exercise. Are you okay? So first, understand the instruction of this exercise. Nice posture. You can take this type of posture also. I have no issue. Okay. I think still I am with you guys. Will you be able to do that standing? You have to cooperate me today. Okay. The exercise 2. First, understand what we are going to do. Same. You will close your eyes. Relax your bodies, but here this is a different type of exercise, very interesting exercise. It is now different way. Here what you will do, you will sit and do nothing. You will sit and do nothing. What you will do, it's a good asana, and the objective of this particular exercise is to watch your conscious. हो क्या रहा है और कैसे करना है? You have to do 3 things simultaneously. 3 चीज एक साथ करनी है. 3 things simultaneously. एक तो आपको ओम बोलना है अंदर से, ओके, ओम बोलना है. साथ में यू हैव टू कीप रबिंग योर थंब विथ द फिंगर. यू कैन सी दैट ना, कीप रबिंग थंब विथ योर फिंगर एंड कीप लिसनिंग ऑल द साउंड्स. जितने भी आवाज़ आ रहा है उसके ऊपर आपको कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना है. किसी को आवाज़ डिस्टर्ब करता है, आज डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगा. You got my point? You have to keep chanting the Oms, rubbing the thumb and the finger, and with the closed eye you have to concentrate on all the type of noise. जो कुछ भी आया सुनना है आपको. बाहर भी आवाज़ आ रहा है, छोटा बड़ा, all the sounds you have to experience. Is it okay? With that you will get the thoughts. वो करोगे तो भी थॉट्स आने वाला है. बट ये टाइम आपको क्या करना है, कोई भी थॉट आता है धीरे से आपको बोलना है यस एंड देन पास इट. ओके, एंड देन अगेन फोकस. अभी बैक टू स्क्वायर तो जाना नहीं है, काउंट भी करना नहीं है, जस्ट यू आर गोइंग टू कॉन्शियसली सी दैट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. राइट, इंस्ट्रक्शन क्लियर है सबको? एवरीबडी समझने में कुछ डिफिकल्टी? ये 5 मिनट चलने वाला है. बोलते यार इवनिंग टॉक है, योगा है, बट ये अलग टॉक है. ओके, कि ये टॉक अलग ही है पूरा. सो इंस्ट्रक्शन आई रिपीट, सिंपल है. आंख बंद करना है, आपको ओम बोलना है. वाइल ओम साइमल्टेनियस 3 ओम, रबिंग thumb with the finger, listening all the sounds. During this process, if any thought comes, you have to recognize the thought and say yes, and then move on. Clear? So now you close your eyes. Yeah. Pardon? नहीं, आपको કોઈ પણ વિચાર આવશે, સારું યસ કહી દેવાનું એને. વોચ કરો તો ઇનફ છે, પણ વોચ કરશો તો શું થશે ખબર છે? એક સમય એ પાર્ક કરીને ત્યાં જ બેસી જશે. પાર્ક કરીને ત્યાં બેસી જશે. તમે આને એકવાર એક્સરસાઇઝ કરો. માય પોઈન્ટ ઇઝ બિકોઝ ધીસ ઇઝ બેઝડ ઓન રિસર્ચ. કારણ કે તમે એને યસ નહીં કહો ને તો એ થોટ ત્યાં પાર્કિંગ કરીને બેસી જશે. એટલે તમારે ખાલી રેકગ્નાઇઝ કરીને આગળ વધવાનું છે. ઓકે, એવરીબડી અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? મને ગુજરાતી સારું આવડે છે. So how was the second experience? This exercise was to make sure that you get thoughts and you recognize, right? How was the second exercise? Pardon? Lesser thoughts, because you know that now thought comes, I have to just say thank you so much, go ahead, right? You were able to listen various type of noises outside. You tried to concentrate on the noise. Was that noise disturbing you this time? You are getting the intentional.
Noise was masked by the music, so there was no noise at all.
Slowly I was reducing the music. That time you may be getting outside. That was the intention behind it. So that noise was not disturbing you. Simultaneously doing Om, rubbing this thumb and finger, right? And concentrating on the noise, 3 activity at a time. You were enjoying or was painful? So first activity was very simple. You had to simply count 1 to 90 and there you were not able to control your thoughts. It was disturbing you and you were going back to 1, right? You are experiencing something which I want to convey, that there are intention behind this exercise, right? So point number 2 with this exercise is that we can practice the mindfulness. See, when you are getting lot of thoughts, do this asana. So you recognize that this type of thoughts are coming. Park it and go on. Because I'll tell you, I have a standard formula. The formula is very long, so just listen to me very carefully. I think I tell all my trainees or students or wherever I coach and mentor in my company. There is a standard formula. It starts with environment. Whatever environment you stay, it influences you, impact you. This environment influences your thoughts. Environment influence your thoughts. And repeated thoughts convert into action. And repeated action convert into behavior. And repeated behavior convert into habit. You got my point. So there is a series. And that is why this mindfulness topic is evolving and emerging. So let's continue with this second exercise. Let's move on. There are many exercises we can do it. This is a wonderful exercise to create to go for this journey. I always take 3 deep breaths and remind myself that I am alive and I am in now. So today you are no exception. You have to do it. So loudly, first you take three deep breaths. Now loudly say, I am alive, I am in now. I am alive, I am in now. One more time. I am alive, I am in now. Will this help us? Yes. Whenever you have some trouble, you say, I am alive, I am in now. Because you have to tell yourself. And first exercise we realize that we don't have a clear answer that are we in control of mind or mind is controlling us. You got my point. And that is why this medicine is important, that I am alive, I am in now. You are telling, I am alive, I am in now, and I want to do this. So, upfront, momentary, you are creating a mindfulness. That's it. I don't know how long this medicine will last, I don't know, but at least quickly, you are reminding yourself that I am now, I am in now, I am alive, right? So, there is one more, input which can improve our mindfulness, and this is a formula I have given based on the experience. This I have given a name like 365 SRB, meaning that the breathing has a relation with the mindfulness. This I say that systematic breathing, generally if you want to make the systematic breathing, the method is you have to inhale with 1, 2, 3 and 4 is silent. So you have to park the oxygen for some time and then 5, 6. You got my point? So will you do the same with me right now? Follow 1, 2, 3 in, pause 5, 6. Let us practice for 2 minutes. Let's see that what is the difficulty you are getting. You are understanding my instruction clearly? Inhale with 1, 2, 3, exhale with 5, 6, right? Easy or difficult? Somewhere it is conflicting with your regular rhythm, right? Your regular breathing rhythm is different than this what I am talking to you. This is a scientific, there is a lot of science behind it. So, a lot of homework you are carrying today with this evening talk. Lot of homework you are carrying today with this evening talk. Try to, download or, put this operating system as a breathing system. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and then see try at least 3 to 5 minutes in a day. Slowly you increase it and then see the power. Okay. This is again, going to support for creating the mindfulness, because breathing has a relation with this is a very popular asana. We will not do it, but lot of people who do the yoga. How many of you do the yoga? Just raise your hand. So I think you will pick up this asana very quickly, right? This asana is Sudarshan Chakra. We do Soham. And suppose you have not done this Sudarshan Chakra, whoever has not done yoga, just take this homework with you. Tomorrow is Sunday. And simple asana, Soham means what you have to do is, you have to inhale in with So by nose and exhale out with Hum. There is a mistake. Like Soham. It is slow, medium, fast, and do 8 to 10 minutes and then see the power of mindfulness. The amount of mindfulness or attention level will go up. So yoga class hai kya hai? But this is a homework. Okay. If you are getting this input, you will enjoy. There is one other asana which I have learned from a lot of experts, which asana we call this as a pranothan. Pranothan you can try here how to do this asana. Take both the hands up on the head and say, God, that I am going to do pranothan. It's a Sanskrit word, pranothan. And I am leaving to you, all the anxiety I am leaving it to you. And close your eyes. Imagine that energy is flowing from your Muladhara to crown of your head. There is a round crystal ball on your head. Let us visualize that way. And then start counting 1000 to 1. So 1999 likewise. Keep your eyes focusing on the center of your head. This is a scientific asana to increase your mindfulness. But we will not practice right now, but I will give the soft copy of presentation. If you want, please try and do it at your home. अच्छा, ये रिपीट करने की बात कर रहे हो? ओके, इसको प्राणोत्थान करके आसना बोलते, हम लोग कर ही लेते, चलो 2-3 मिनट, ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे। पहले इंस्ट्रक्शन सुन लो, ये प्राणोत्थान करना है। प्राणोत्थान में क्या करना है, आपको पहला दोनों हाथ ऊपर लेके ऐसा करके रखना है। तो पीपल विल कॉल यू क्रेजी, डोंट वरी, क्रेजी पीपल क्रिएट हिस्ट्री, राइट? वाइज पीपल रीड हिस्ट्री, दैट इज माई जगदीश जोशी इज टेलिंग मी, माई क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड इज। सो प्राणोत्थान में क्या करना है, दोनों हाथ ऊपर करके ऐसे रखना है। एंड हियर व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू टेल to the God that I am leaving all the anxiety to you, okay? And here you have to see that energy is going from your Mooladhara to the crown of your head. You have to visualize that there is a crystal ball, so at least you can focus, and then you have to keep your eyes, tell your eyes to focus here, okay? कर सकते हो, 3-4 मिनट करते हैं। इंस्ट्रक्शन क्लियर हो गया सबको? सर आप कंफर्टेबल है ना? यू आर कंफर्टेबल? करना है अभी? इंस्ट्रक्शन क्लियर है सबको? ओके, सो क्लोज योर आईज। आई विल ऑल्सो रिपीट दिस व्हाट एक्शन यू हैव टू टेक। क्लोज योर आईज, take your both the hands up on the head and say God that I am going to do the pranothan. I am leaving all my worries, anxiety to you. Here you will imagine that the energy is flowing from your Mooladhara to crown of your head. Energy is flowing from your Mooladhara to crown of your head. On center of your head there is a round crystal ball you had a little practice, right? So how was the third experience? First, second, third. ये experience कैसा था? ये experience में क्या था? आपका आँख बंद है, भगवान को बोल दिया मैं आपके ऊपर छोड़ रहा हूँ. Now I am going for a pranothan. The pranothan into bracket, the objective is to create the more presence of mind or mindfulness. But here you are counting 1,999 and thoughts are coming, right or wrong? कभी कभी thoughts is disturbing your numbers. Again you start asking, I was at 956 or 946. हाँ, हुआ है कि नहीं आपके साथ? मैंने ये सब कर चुका हूँ मैं. Because I spend lot of money to go to, pardon?
In counting, thoughts are not coming. When you are focusing your eyes on the forehead, middle of the forehead, and again reverse counting, it's a bit difficult. Instead of reverse counting, if someone does it real counting 1, 2, 3, 4, then it is little easier because I have to concentrate on both counting as well as focus my eyes.
Forehead also. No, all these asanas is not created by me. I will tell you. In my metaphysics journey, I have to spend, in a year more than 6 to 7 weeks outside, where I go to Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. I go to many people who are expert in this field. Mindfulness is one part of the topic. But I go to Osho Ashram. Anybody visited Osho Ashram? हाँ, तो आपने उधर किया है वो Katharch and all these things. See, lot of foreigner comes to Osho Ashram because I was a branch manager in 2001 to 2005 at Pune in my company, and my dear wife is here. Thank you, wife, my dear wife. So I used to go there and meet lot of people, and I used to see lot of foreigners. So मुझे interest लगा ये कर क्या रहे? And when I went there, they are doing kirtans and dancing. आपने इतना तो सुना होगा, right? और YouTube में भी जाके देख सकते हो कि कर क्या रहे हैं. But they are doing such a type of asanas which are active yoga. It's not a passive yoga. जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं ना वो passive है. They are doing active. इतना डांस और वो घुस जाते हैं कि then they forget who are they. They forget who are they, and then that time they call it as a statue. And during statue they can see the changes. Body में क्या चल रहा है. See, there is a soul and all this stuff. They teach a lot of stuff to us, but वो डिफिकल्ट है समझना इतना जल्दी. बट आप उसको भी एक्सपीरियंस करो. व्हेन आई वेंट टू बैंगलोर, श्री श्री रविशंकर, ये आसना वहाँ से थोड़ा लिया हुआ है. व्हाट आई एम डूइंग विथ यू, इट इज़ फ्रॉम रविशंकर जी. सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल्स इन दिस जर्नी, एंड ऑफ द डे एवरीबडी वांट्स टू एक्सपीरियंस, राइट. मेरा वापस वही क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, जानना और मानना. सो आवर जर्नी इज ऑन द नॉलेज बिल्डिंग के है क्या है माइंडफुलनेस, एंड दैट इज वाई दिस प्रैक्टिकल्स वी आर डूइंग इट. सो कैन वी कंटिन्यू नाउ to the corporate side of the mindfulness. Now this was spiritual side of the mindfulness. Maybe there is one advice I get it from all these experts that Paresh, if you really want to improve on your mindfulness, thoda slow down ho ja. Slow down. And I tried it. See, when I got transfer outside India, and when I delivered a nice talk to my core board of director team, and later on I got a feedback that, boss, nobody understands you. I said, why? Boss, your English is good, but nobody understands you. And which country? Thailand. I was a MD of Thailand. Then I realized, then I asked one of the smart guy, I said, what should I do? Boss, you reduce your WPM. WPM means word per minute. And then I revised my speech, and then I gave the talk. Everybody appreciated. Boss, we understand you. You are really good. You got my point. So meaning here is slow down. Even you slow down in your communication, your response will be better. Slow down. Thoda try to karo. Which is another, influencer to improve on your mindfulness. Because many times we make mistake in hurry, right? So slow down is one thoughts coming to create the mindfulness. Moving further, you heard this word vipassana. जरा हाथ ऊपर करो, कितने लोग विपस्सना को जानते हैं? थैंक यू. तो मेरे पास एक मॉडर्न विपस्सना है. करना है आपको? सिंपल है, इसमें कुछ आसन करने का जरूरत नहीं है. मॉडर्न विपस्सना का नाम है वेट. वो लाइन में वेट नहीं करना है, वेट. मॉडर्न विपस्सना इज वेट, मीनिंग दैट before you speak anything, you have to ask the question, wait, why am I talking? इसको बोलता है मॉडर्न विपसना. करोगे कल से? हम लोग ज़्यादा बोलते हैं, ज़रूरत नहीं है फिर भी घुस जाते हैं. तो ये विपसना करो, थोड़ा अलर्टनेस, आपका इंपॉर्टेंस भी बढ़ जाएगा, तो अपने आप माइंडफुल हो जाएंगे सब लोग, आप भी हो जाओगे. दिस इज एडवाइस. आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो रखना. ओके, सो व्हाई एम आई टॉकिंग, जस्ट स्टार्ट आस्किंग योरसेल्फ दैट व्हाई एम आई टॉकिंग, राइट. दिस इज अ मॉडर्न विपसना हम लोग बोलते हैं. इवन गीता का चैप्टर 17 मैंने शॉर्ट सेंटेंस लिखा है, चूजिंग द राइट ओवर द प्लेजेंट इज अ साइन ऑफ पावर. थोड़ा मीनिंग बड़ा है बट शांति से सोचना. एक आइडिया ये भी है, जेन टू बिहेवियर बोलता हूँ मैं, जनरेशन टू बिहेवियर. सो लॉट ऑफ यंगस्टर्स हियर, आपसे सीखा हूँ मैं. उसको मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, ये मैं जनरेशन 2 से सीखा हूँ. जनरेशन 2 का एक फंडा है 2F. आपको पता है नहीं पता है मुझे पता नहीं है, बट टुडे आई एम डिक्लेयरिंग पब्लिकली, जनरेशन 2 का ये बिहेवियर है 2F, फॉरगिव एंड गेट फ्रीडम. हाउ मेनी एग्री विद दिस जनरेशन 2 बिहेवियर? आज का जो जनरेशन है वो इधर रखता नहीं है हेड एंड हार्ट में, जो है वो बोल देता है और क्या करता है, छोड़ दे. बट दे वांट फ्रीडम. ये भी एक अच्छा एक्टिविटी है और बिहेवियर है टू जस्ट टू प्रोग्रेस इन द जर्नी फॉर माइंडफुलनेस. क्योंकि जितना इधर भर के रखोगे उतना प्रेशर आने वाला है, राइट. सो इसको बोलते हैं जनरेशन 2 बिहेवियर, फॉरगिव एंड गेट फ्रीडम, राइट. फॉरगिव एंड गेट freedom. So one more question in the continuation to our talk, is it possible to change the mind to be more focused? Yes or no? Pakka? Can you demonstrate now? You said yes, so I have to see the demonstration also, right? Is it possible to change the mind to be more focused? Is it possible? Can we demonstrate now with an exercise? Are you ready? अच्छा, ये एक्सरसाइज आपने किया है बट फिर भी करना पड़ेगा. ओके, अभी ऐसा करो सब लोग, मुझे ज़रा बराबर फोकस करना है. कॉपी मारो, पहले ऐसा करो, कॉपी मारो ज़रा, मुझे फटाफट कॉपी मारो, मुझे कॉपी मारो जल्दी. दोनों थंब नहीं आना चाहिए, दोनों फिंगर नहीं आना चाहिए, एक थंब एक फिंगर. हो रहा है? अरे यार, क्वेश्चन तो लिखा ना, इज इट पॉसिबल टू चेंज द माइंड टू बी मोर फोकस. तो अभी एक काम करो, मेरे सामने मत देखो, पहले ऐसा जरा देखो कि अभी मैं फोकस करेगा. आई विल डू दिस स्लोली. मैंने दिखा ना, वो स्लो डाउन करो थोड़ा, ट्राई करो. चलो सब लोग, करना तो पड़ेगा सर आपको भी, कोई छुट्टी नहीं है किसी को आज. हाँ, ट्राई करो, फोकस करो, अपने को डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करना ही है आज. हाँ, बराबर जा रहा है सर. मैम ट्राई तो करो आप. अरे ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है. हाँ, यू डिड योर होमवर्क. लॉट ऑफ पीपल, लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर हियर, लाइक वी नो ईच अदर, राइट. हो रहा है, नो प्रॉब्लम. नहीं हो रहा है तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, घर जाके एक्सरसाइज करना है, बराबर है. इसके पीछे भी स्टोरी है. ओके, मैंने काफ़ी लोगों को बताई है, बट ये स्टोरी ऐसा है कि सोसाइटी में लड़के, छोटे बच्चे खेल रहे थे और मैं निकला, अंकल विल यू प्ले विथ अस. और ये बैठी थी उसकी फ्रेंड के साथ. इन लोगों ने स्माइल दिया कि अभी फंस गया. और बच्चा लोग ने क्या बोला, अंकल जरा ऐसा करके दिखाओगे. फिर अंकल का हालत आपके जैसा ही था. मैं अभी सीन मार रहा हूँ बट उधर मेरा सीन निकल चुका था. एंड माई डियर वाइफ के सामने कोई ऐसा निकालेगा बच्चा लोग. बट देन आई टोल्ड चिल्ड्रन, आई सेड थोड़ा सिखाओ तो सही, मुझे खेलना है. तो बोले अंकल कुछ नहीं है, सिंपल, फोकस. पहले स्लो करो अंकल, पहले पूरा स्लो, फोकस. एंड आई टुक 2 minutes एंड 3rd minute आई वॉज फास्ट. यू गॉट माई पॉइंट. सो दे आर मोर माइंडफुल. इफ यू आस्क मी, दे आर मोर माइंडफुल लाइक चिल्ड्रन. सो बेसिक, इज इट पॉसिबल टू चेंज माइंड टू बी मोर फोकस्ड? यस, पॉसिबल है, राइट. बट उसके लिए इंटेंशन होना चाहिए, इग्नोरेंस नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाट इज अ जर्नी, व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. अब इसको पूरा पिक्चर शांति से देखो. See, when you have the autopilot of a mindfulness, क्या power है? If mindfulness is a autopilot in your system, तो वो पहला वो pressing वाला तो होगा ही नहीं. याद है ना वो वीडियो? Autopilot होगा तो वो कभी नहीं होगा आपके साथ. So if you have autopilot, see, you are always exposed with external and internal stimuli. बाहर का एनवायरनमेंट भी है और एक अंदर का एनवायरनमेंट भी आपको डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है. सो यू आर ऑलवेज गेटिंग एक्सटर्नल इंटरनल स्टिमुली. इफ यू हैव अ माइंडफुलनेस प्रैक्टिस, सीधा बॉटम अप हो जाएगा ऑटो पायलट. यू विल बी हैविंग अटेंशन एंड यू विल बी नॉन इवेल्युएटिव. आप उसका कोई राइट और रॉन्ग ऐसा इमीडिएटली कंक्लूजन बांधोगे ही नहीं, राइट? एंड एज सुन एज दिस कम्स अप, you will top down also, right? You will top down your conscious mind. I am alive, I am in now. You got my point? And इसका powerful behavior मिलेगा आपको. And if you are not mindful, then you will get the other side of the journey. So the journey to mindfulness is that we have to practice to make sure that it comes to autopilot. And when there is an autopilot and there is a challenge, you will top down. I am alive, I am in now. ये तो एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज की बात है ऑन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ माइंडफुलनेस. इफ यू आर नॉट माइंडफुल, तो देर इज अ चैलेंज, लैक ऑफ फोकस. मे बी समटाइम्स यू आर रिएक्टिव. समझोगे नहीं और घुस जाओगे, क्योंकि आप मॉडर्न विपसना नहीं करोगे तो प्रॉब्लम होगा. अभी समझ गया ना, मॉडर्न विपसना याद आया, वाई एम आई टॉकिंग. बट इफ यू आर माइंडफुल, योर रिस्पॉन्स विल बी बेटर to any situation. That is what is the journey or evening talk today. Maybe we have to reflect on what is a lack of focus costing me. आप मानोगे कि नहीं मानोगे, बट ये प्रॉब्लम सबको है. कोई पब्लिकली एक्सेप्ट करता है, कोई नहीं करता है, राइट? बट ये चैलेंज तो है सबको. बट वी हैव टू रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन दिस चैलेंज, दैट व्हाट इज माय लैक ऑफ फोकस कॉस्टिंग मी. मैंने मेरा 5 बजे का टिकट का बताया ना आपको कि व्हाट इट कॉस्टेड मी, राइट? आस्क मी माइंडफुलनेस एट कॉर्पोरेट लेवल वेयर आई एम वर्किंग एंड वेयर आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग द कॉर्पोरेट जर्नी. देयर आर mindfulness programs also to improve the performance at the work. Now these programs at various levels like attention training, stress management and resilience, learning to reframe, problem solving, mental and emotional regulations. See, if you look at the superstar and actors and all, how they are giving a best performance in the movie, उसको भी ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है, उसका माइंड प्रोग्रामिंग भी किया जाता है टू क्रिएट अ माइंडफुलनेस, बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. वेरियस प्रोग्राम्स वी डू इट एट कॉर्पोरेट लेवल. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि खाली योगा है. दिस इज बियॉन्ड योगा. वी आर डूइंग ऑल दिस प्रोग्राम्स लाइक प्रेजेंट एट वर्क, awakening leaders, unmind now, self leadership, and even the health part. This healthcare sector is also doing a lot of training for the mindfulness. So this is a popular topic, evolving, and lot of work in progress. See, if you are mindful, how it will work? Very important. When you are mindful, you are aware, right? When you are mindful, you are aware. You are aware about your thoughts, you are aware about your emotions, and you are aware about your body. हमने थोड़ा छोटा एक्सरसाइज किया, बट वो हमने अवेयरनेस बिल्डअप करने के लिए किया था ऑन आवर थॉट्स, इमोशंस एंड द बॉडी. बस ये इतना हो गया तो भी बाहर का जरूरत नहीं है, बट इतना स्टार्ट करो, राइट? सो वंस यू आर एट दिस लेवल, देन लॉर्ड कृष्णा टोल्ड यू ना, फेस द फ्यूचर, राइट? सो यू विल बी मोमेंट टू मोमेंट, you will be non-judgment, and you will be affectionate but curious, right? So this is the advantage of the mindfulness works. And I'm sure that every one of us already has the seed of mindfulness. The practice is to cultivate it, right? What all we have done, small way, small step, let us start. Going further, who is using the mindfulness? What I'm talking, I'm going further on this subject. Who is using mindfulness? Sports team, they are using it. अभी क्रिकेट मैच देख रहे हो ना, दे आर माइंडफुल. दे नो दैट कि चार बॉल बाकी है या 3 ओवर बाकी है. दे आर वेरी मच माइंडफुल, राइट? स्पोर्ट्स पीपल आर यूजिंग दिस. Even there is a dialogue of Shah Rukh Khan movie, if you remember. हॉकी का टीम था, चक दे इंडिया. उसने एक डायलॉग बोला था, वार करना है तो सामने वाले के गोल पे नहीं, सामने वाले के दिमाग पे करो, गोल अपने आप हो जाएगा. इसके लिए भी पहले माइंडफुलनेस चाहिए, बाद में ये सेकंड स्टेप है. यू गॉट माय पॉइंट. आर यू माइंडफुल, देन दिस इज द सेकंड स्टेप व्हाट शाहरुख खान इज टेलिंग. Scientists are also using mindfulness. There are a lot of benefits which I am talking to you, that psychological, interpersonal and physical. Again, lot of benefits, like it improves the self-esteem, self-actualization, self-regulation, emotion regulation. हमारे ये सब problem है, I am converting into benefit. So आप जब पढ़ रहे हो तो I am telling that all this problem will become a benefit. क्योंकि sometimes we are unable to control our emotion. Nobody is exception. ये अपने साथ होता है. ये भी benefits है, interpersonal benefits. Physical, like you have some disease. Even leadership, the top level corporate guys are using mindfulness. For what? To recovery. Like if they have a lot of stress, burnout and depression and health problem, the CEO or a director is working, on the mindfulness to come back on the journey. Maybe they use for a high performance. Sometimes they just withdraw to recreate himself, right, and then come back. Many renowned authors are writing about the authentic leadership and mindfulness. बिकॉज इसके ऊपर काफ़ी रिसर्च हो रहा है. ये जो टॉपिक के ऊपर मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, इसके ऊपर काफ़ी रिसर्च भी हो रहा है. लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर प्रैक्टिसिंग इट एंड इट इज़ वर्किंग, राइट. इवन हार्वर्ड बिजनेस रिव्यू इज राइटिंग अबाउट माइंडफुलनेस. दैट इज वाई दिस इवनिंग टॉक टुडे, which motivated me to let's take something out of this, right. Even lot of people are giving statements on the mindfulness, that how it's increasingly present in the business world. See, read this sentence of 2. Meditation has been the single most important thing I have done to improve my leadership. कुछ नहीं किया है, प्राणोत्थान किया या एक्सरसाइज 2 किया या एक्सरसाइज 1 किया, राइट. कुछ नहीं किया है. It has helped me to become more self-aware, more compassionate towards myself and other. It has also enabled me to remain calm and clear thinker in face of pressure and uncertainty. He is a CEO, one of the multinational company. So खाली याद रखना है mindful तो कैसे रखेंगे, तो उसका spelling थोड़ा हमने workout किया है. M means moment to moment attention. I means in the here and now. Here and now, I am alive, I am in now, right? So in here and now. N means non-judgmental attitude. D means detach from unhelpful thoughts. जब आप वो exercise 2 कर रहे थे ना, recognizing the thought yes, वो टाइम पे आप segregate कर रहे थे कि useful thought कौन सा है, unuseful thought कौन सा है. अनयूजफुल थॉट है तो उसको भूल ही जाना है, राइट. यूजफुल थॉट आपको पार्क करके रखना है. फॉरगिव एंड बी ग्रेटफुल, जनरेशन 2 बिहेवियर, राइट. अनकंडीशनल एक्सेप्टेंस, लर्न विथ चाइल्ड लाइक माइंड. वो थंब एंड फिंगर याद आया ना, अंकल विल यू प्ले विथ मी. सो यू टू लर्न. सो दिस इज वॉट आई वॉन्टेड टू टेल यू. माइंडफुलनेस, it gives you a time. If you develop this with a practice, it gives you a lot of time. And if you have a lot of time, it gives you a choices. And you know that choices skillfully made lead to a freedom. I have one standard dialogue. I always say that choice, chance and consequence. If you ask me in corporate, I have a standard dialogue. That what all choice you make, you are taking a chance. And any chance gives you a consequence, right? So choice, chance and consequence. So mindfulness has also that relation. That if you make a choice to be mindful, you are taking a positive chance to have more time, more freedom and very good response, right? So this is what is the statement I want to say. You can respond with wisdom and kindness rather than a habit and reactivity. So I want to share with you that this signal, take a mindful break. Time to time you stop, अभी वो याद आया 365 systematic breathing 1 2 3 5 6 time to time take a break, take a breath, open, soften, observe to create mindfulness. You have now a couple of exercise with you and then proceed. So take only 10 to 15 minutes in a day to start this journey. This evening talk is to give you a thought process. If it works for you, I'll be the happiest man, right? So take 10 to 15 minutes. Here what I want to say that do a body scan paying attention to any tension or your stress of your body, mind or anything. So take a scan of your body, what is happening. Start your day with a basic yoga or this exercise which we did right now. You can do pranothan or you can count 1 to 90, right? Do that exercise. Take a break to check it with your breathing 365 and relax at the end of the day with guided meditation, right? So इतना करोगे तो भी फायदा है. So before I close the detailed evening talk, I truly hope today evening talk will fuel your inspiration as well as kickstart your noblest self. Do you think this way, what I am writing here? So that's all folks. I think this was the intention today, right? And after this, if you have any question, welcome, okay?